As people work to become healthier, juicing and smoothies have become very popular, and there is no better way to get them than to make them yourself. Bullet blenders hit the stores fast and hard in a short period of time, so you may be wondering what makes one bullet blender different from another. There are numerous options for cheap bullet blender, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable bullet blender from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. NutriBullet NBR1201 12-piece high-speed blender. The NutriBullet NBR1201 12-piece blender is our favorite due to its powerful 600-watt motor and its sturdy, patented stainless steel blade with cyclonic action. It comes in a set that includes 1 tall cup, 2 short cups, a flat blade, an emulsifying blade, 2 resealable lids, a pocket nutritionist booklet, and a manual with recipes. This blender has enough power to blend any foods you put into it, but it has one major flaw. The motor runs in the opposite direction than the cup screws into the base. This allows the cup to unscrew from the base as your food is being blended. This model also comes with a limited 1-year warranty. All in all, we think this is the best bullet blender available this year. Number 2. Ninja BL480D Nutri Personal Bullet Blender. The Ninja Countertop 24 ounces BL456 blender has a powerful 900-watt motor. This blender allows you to manually pulse the blade to easily crush ice and frozen foods and tear through seeds, skin, and stems of other foods to give you the nutritional value you want in a smooth drink you love. Once your drink is done, just screw on one of the twist spout lids to take it on the run with you and throw all the other parts into the dishwasher before you leave. This blender is easy to use, effortless to clean, and gives your body the nutritional kick it needs to start your day right. The Ninja Countertop blender, which comes with a 1-year warranty, is twice the size of the typical bullet blender. If you have a small kitchen and you want to keep your blender out on the countertop, you may want to check the measurements to make sure it will fit your space before purchasing it. Number 3. Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set. The Magic Bullet Blender comes with everything you need to get your day started. It includes a high torque power base, 1 stainless steel cross blade, 1 tall cup, 1 party cup, 1 short cup, 2 comfort lip rings, 2 stay fresh resealable lids, 1 flip top to go lid, and 1 recipe book and user guide. It's known for its mixing and chopping power. In past versions, the Magic Bullet was great at pulverizing anything you put into it in 10 seconds or less. The newer version doesn't seem to be as powerful. The Magic Bullet can get the job done if you have the time and patience to play around with it. You should also be aware that the cup sometimes gets stuck in the base. Be careful how you get it out. If you happen to break one of the tabs off the cup, that cup will no longer work. The blade won't engage unless all the tabs press down where they're supposed to. Keep in mind that this blender comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 4. Cuisinart CPB 300 Bullet Blender. The Cuisinart CPB 300 blender has a 350-watt motor with safety interlock and auto stop features. The stainless steel blade can be used in constant high or low power or in pulse mode to chop up your foods. The motor on this blender isn't powerful enough to blend all foods. You almost need to put your food in a little at a time, pulverize it, and then add some more. If you try to put everything in at once, the motor bogs down and overheats, giving off that nasty overheating smell. It does the same thing when you try to crush ice or other frozen foods. Beware when you take your drink with you on the run. The lids tend to leak when you are drinking out of them. On the plus side, this model comes with a lengthy 3-year warranty. Number 5. CHULUX 1000W Smoothie Bullet Blender Maker. The CHULUX Smoothie Bullet Blender Maker is a good blender for those on a tight budget. It has a 300-watt motor that spins 4 blades to chop up your food. We did find that this blender isn't powerful enough to chop frozen food or ice efficiently. It does okay at first, when the blades are sharpest. Once they begin to dull, however, the motor can't take the extra taxation. Once you have your food in the bottle, Just hit the power switch to turn the machine on. After the blender has done its magic, put on one of the spill-proof lids and be on your way. The bottles fit nicely in the cup holder of your car. They have a folding carrying hook that can be attached to a bag or belt loop. All parts of this product are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a snap. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.